Welcome, beautiful soul. Right now, you have chosen to step into alignment. You have chosen to speak power over your life. You have chosen to believe that miracles are not rare, they are your birthright. The truth is, you are blessed, you are worthy, and you are taken care of. And you are surrounded by miracles, both seen and unseen. Sometimes, if we forget, we get caught up in fear, doubt, and noise. But today, in this sacred space, we return to truth. You are blessed with miracles every single day. As you listen, breathe deeply and let the affirmation wash over you. Repeat them aloud or in your mind. Let them anchor into your spirit. Let them become your new reality. Now let's begin. I am blessed with miracles every day. Miracles are a natural part of my life. I'm open to receive unexpected blessings. Divine miracles flow to me freely and abundantly. I trust that universe always blesses me. I'm a living magnet for miracles. I'm surrounded by blessings seen and unseen. I believe in the magic of divine timing. I'm worthy of miracles, big and small. Miracles unfold in my life with perfect grace. I give thanks for all the blessings coming my way. My heart is open to the miracles of love and joy. I am constantly guided and supported by divine forces. I celebrate each day as a miracle in itself. I walk in faith knowing miracles are mine. The more I believe, the more I receive. Miracles bless my relationships, health, and purpose. I am grateful for the blessings I have and those on the way. Miracles show up in the most beautiful ways for me. I am in alignment with the energy of miracles. I trust that everything happens for my highest good. My life is a reflection of divine favor and blessing. I radiate gratitude and attract even more miracles. I live in the flow of grace, love, and miracles. I surrender to the miraculous power of the universe. Every breath I take is a blessing. I believe something wonderful is always about to happen. I see miracles in the ordinary. I invite divine miracles into every aspect of my life. I am constantly receiving gifts from the universe. I choose to see life through the lens of miracles. I am open, ready, and willing to be blessed. My dreams are supported by divine miracles. I am divinely protected, guided, and blessed. Miracles are pouring into my life right now. I trust the process and welcome unexpected blessings. My life is touched by divine intervention. I honor the miracles that have shaped my journey. Each day brings fresh opportunities for blessings. My soul is anchored in faith and gratitude. I am always at the right place for blessings to find me. Every challenge I face leads me to a greater blessing. I embrace every moment as a part of divine miracle. I let go of fear and welcome faith-filled blessings. I am a beacon of peace, love, and miracles. Miracles bless my mind, body, and spirit. The universe conspires to bless me. I am a walking proof that miracles are real. My blessings multiply with every breath I take. I am truly, deeply, and endlessly blessed with miracles. Take a deep breath and relax. Feel how your energy just shifted. Feel the calm, the clarity, the confidence now resting within you. You are not hoping for miracles, you are now aligned with them. You are blessed by them, you are living them. So, whenever you forget, come back to this. Let these words remind you of the truth that you are blessed with miracles. Thank you for joining me. If these affirmations lifted your spirit, I invite you to return often because your energy is sacred. Your future is bright and your miracles are already on their way. Stay grateful, stay aligned, and remember, you are always divinely supported.